You can do more than just one. Do it 1, 2, 3. Oh, it looks so funny. If you want, do another one. It's weird. That's the LED light. Hey everyone. Oh my god, Voncast from Australia. Hello. The guys with the nails, how are you? You all take care, okay? From Australia, all people from Australia, Aussie. Wish you all the best. We're thinking of all of you. Please be safe out there. And there's a lot that's going on. Another Aussie. Hi, Nina. Okay, second coat. I'm going to do a third coat. And I'm sharing with you really cool tip and tricks with this. That color is this one and the size. Somehow this is keep crashing. So here's the keys. A lot of you were asking. I keep sharing it with every single video because it's everybody asking. Crystal clear. This is a great solution to really blend your marble nails. That's the key. Besides the color, so nice and pigmented. This is the key to help this blending out nice. So I'm gonna wipe off most of my crystal clears, and then I'm gonna draw this. To draw the veins. So hope everyone doing okay. Wipe it off first before you put it on back on to the crystal clear, because you don't want that to wipe it off again. Dip it back into my crystal clear. Blend on the sides out, because you want to make it blend nice and even. Like, I mean, look more natural. Wipe it up. I love the purple though. Ah, that looks so stunning. So all you need to do is gently using your crystal clear. You're seeing it, me doing it. It's really, you don't need much of crystal clear. Looks stunning. You can draw different veins. I did quite a lot of different veins on the different videos. I'm gonna do some foil on this one. Oh, no, crystal placement or foil. I can do a crystal placement. I think it looks good by doing a crystal placement instead of doing a foil. So if I'm happy with this design, I am going to using condensed glue gel. I don't even need to put the veins on it. I'm doing condensed glue gel. And I'm gonna place a crystal on the top of that. It looks so stunning though. It looks so nice. Okay, next, no wipe top coat on the top. Wipe out my brush. Oh, I like that. You see how bad it is, this one? The residue, if you don't wipe it off on the brush, it's gonna go back into your crystal clear and it's gonna contaminating this. So I always have a piece of paper here. No wipe top coat on the top of my condensed glue gel. There's no wipe top coat, and condensed glue gel will help grab the base of the crystal in nice place. Even I put a top coat on, the color is so stunning. I'm not using this shape. There you go. I'm using an edge shape. Then nobody like care for this. I mean, like nobody think that you can put it in here and put some. I'm looking for some pink. I want some I might have in other station. Here you go. Have you ever seen me doing like that? I will change it right away because I feel something is like I can like really change it and make it look different. If you don't see me do that sometime, then welcome, because I'm gonna adjusting it. If I seeing that I want something different, I would definitely change it. I am going to wipe this off later. Thank you, Von Cat Artistry. Thank you, sweetie. silver. Oh, no, I'm not using this. It's really stunning. It's different than usual. I just didn't want to have stunning. I've been doing it like a gold and then silver, obsidian. I love this cute beads. A perfect size as well, everybody. Not too small, not too big. That's it. It looks so much better in person instead of this. I like that. It's a trying to go in the vein on that. Let me put another one on. I think I'm good. Here for 60 seconds.